Everybody, and welcome. This is Bubsbee, and in this video it's going to be my pamper routine when I just want to relax, vibe out, get a peace of mind. You guys know I have 5 kids running around this house, and sometimes it's kind of hard for me to get a moment to myself, but this day, like some other days, I was ready to treat myself and indulge in a skin and hair treatment, and I am going to be showcasing a new addition to the Naturall Club's lineup. It's their Aloe and Avocado Sensitive Scalp Solution Deep Conditioner. I want to thank Naturall Club for sponsoring this video, and let's hop right into it. So my first step to pamper myself is to throw on my cozy robe. I love this robe. It is so soft and keeps me warm. After that, I'm going to pin my hair up and out the way. Now it's time to treat my skin first, and I like to double cleanse. So I first use an oil to wipe that top layer of makeup off, and then I will go in with my cleanser of choice. I just like to use a cleanser that's gentle on my skin just to get the rest of the makeup and dirt off. Now it's time to mask it up. You want to get some extra nutrients, softness, shine, and moisture to your skin. So I'm going to apply this aloe mask, scroll through Instagram, watch some videos, and just leave this on for about 15 minutes. Once that is done, I'm going to quickly shampoo and condition my hair off camera, and then I'm going to be jumping into this Aloe and Avocado Sensitive Scalp Solution Deep Conditioner. As you can see, today's theme is all about aloe and avocado, and this dynamic duo is the base of this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is 100% natural. It is amazing when it comes to slip and its detangling performance. It makes my hair so soft and manageable. I'm able to seal in moisture with this treatment. It controls my frizz. You can see my hair is well defined when I'm applying this treatment, and I immediately see my curls and coils bounce back. This treatment really makes my hair smooth and shiny and resilient. So this is a section in the back of my head. This is the before. I do have a mixture of 4A to 4C curls in this area, and you can see I have some definition, but my hair is mostly undefined. It looks dry and damaged, but when I add this treatment, you can see my curls are well defined. They're clumped well, and every section has some type of curl pattern to it. So I really do love this deep conditioner. I was actually one of the few who was able to test this treatment out before it released, so I'm so thankful they thought of me when it came to testing out this formulation. You guys know I love Naturall Club products. I have been using them for years now, and every time I use them, I remind myself how much I need to DIY my products more often, because you really get the nutrients and benefits from those ingredients because they're 100% raw and natural. Like I said, this treatment contains avocado, it has aloe vera. Those ingredients are packed with vitamins B and E. It's going to moisturize and repair dry, damaged hair, which I do have. It also will repair the scalp, rejuvenate the hair, and prevent breakage. I love that this deep conditioner also contains 8 different Amazonian butters and oils, such as shea butter, mango butter, babasu oil, tea tree oil, and many more. After I've applied this treatment, I do let this treatment sit on my hair for about 40 minutes. I do recommend to use some heat so your cuticles can open up so that your strands can get the benefits of this product. After rinsing, you can see that my curls and coils are defined. Every strand is thoroughly defined. I have shine, my hair is soft, it's moisturized, my hair feels a lot stronger and a lot more nourished. I'm going to quickly moisturize and seal my hair. I'm using the avocado leave-in conditioner first to add some hydration to my strands, and then I'm going to seal it all in with their growth serum, which focuses on Jamaican black castor oil. It's a thicker oil, but I love to use this in the colder months just to ensure my hair is staying moisturized for longer. I quickly put my hair in a puff and my hair is treated, okay? It's feeling real good. Let's just finish up with the skincare. I'm going to use this facial spray to tone my skin, and then I'm going to proceed with adding my serums and work those into my skin. After that, I'm going to add a thicker moisturizer to my skin. It is cold out there, so I like to use thicker moisturizers to hydrate and nourish my skin. Lastly, I'm just going to go in with a lip balm, and Pamper Day is done. I mean, you guys get the quick version of my Pamper Day, but I try to at least get 30 minutes without any noise or anyone interrupting me or any child chiming in saying they need this or my husband saying that. I try to at least get 30 minutes out the day so I can relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please guys, treat yourself, okay? Even if it's just 10 to 20 minutes of peace of mind, please give yourself that because you definitely deserve it. I want to thank Naturall Club again for sponsoring this video. Definitely head over to their website and check out their new Aloe+Avocado Sensitive Scalp Solution Deep Conditioner. Comment down below what you like to do to treat yourself. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.